Hello, my name is Dr. Wilfried Schäfer. I am the Executive Director of the German Machine Tool Builders Association, or VDW for short. Let me give you a short introduction into the activities of our organization. VDW, based in Frankfurt, speaks for the German machine tool industry. In 2016, we celebrated our 125th anniversary. Together with the sectorial association Machine Tools and Manufacturing Systems within the German Engineering Federation, VDMA, VDW comprises 300 member companies. They account approximately for 90% of the turnover of our sector, which in 2018 reached about 17.1 billion euros within a year with normal economic environment. For its members, VDW holds several services at hand. We represent our industry to the public, to politicians, business associates, and the academia community, both nationally and internationally. We are also a competent provider when it comes to opening up sales markets, observing the business cycle, and delivering market data to our members. With our in-depth sectoral knowledge, we help handling technical, commercial, and legal issues. We are running the standardization activities for our sector and foster the recruitment of new talents. We are also working on new projects to meet the actual needs of our industry. The latest study, focused on the energy market, deals with alternative business fields. The UMATI initiative, Universal Machinery Technology Interface, advocates networking and connectivity to realize IIoT business solutions. And within the VDW Institute, we run pre-competitive research projects with various research institutes throughout Germany to meet the actual technical needs of our members. Trade shows are the most effective marketing platforms for the producers of investment goods. By organizing some of the most relevant events in these economic sectors, we offer effective business platforms in the field of production technology. A fair by VDW is a seal of quality. The IMO Hannover, the leading trade show for production technology, is operated by VDW Fortissimo. It is the most significant innovation showcase for production and an essential forum for the whole production technology community worldwide. Recently, we have renewed the concept and the look to meet the radical changes in industry. In addition, we also host METAF in Düsseldorf, the international exhibition for metalworking technologies, and in May 2022, we were very pleased to celebrate in Stuttgart the premiere of a new trade fair for grinding specialists, the Grinding Hub. Especially in such an innovative industry as machine tool engineering, there is a constant research for quality personnel. The increasing demand for skilled workers, advancing digitization, and the demographic change are the challenges to be met. To counter this trend, the VDW established the Young Talent Foundation in 2009. In 13 years now, the foundation has developed into an important strategic partner for vocational training in Germany and beyond. Many successful projects enhancing career guidance in schools and ensuring the timely transfer of innovations into vocational training had been realized. The new learning platform MLS, Mobile Learning in Smart Factories, contributes to state-of-the-art education in vocational training. To sum up, I hope I have been able to give you a short overview about the activities of VDW. In doing so, we always pursue a clear goal: to strengthen the German machine tool industry, however and wherever possible, from young talents to global players. If you are interested to learn more about the association, please get in touch with us. We are happy to hear from you.